Okay, we're in a 2013 XLR Nitro toy hauler, Viper series, model number 305 with the 10-foot garage. We'll start in the garage back here. There is a brand new cover that goes with the entire thing. That was $500. Notice the storage. It also has the automatic fan up here. It has the duct AC. It has a stereo back here. It also has a second stereo right here and a TV setup. I also have the beds that go with it in the box. And it also has the pull down screen. Also in the box, when this is down, I have the wraparound porch that goes with it also. This looks like it's never been used back here. Very nice. Alright, coming into the living area, you have heat in the floors. This is a cold weather package. Also, we have another table that goes right here, which is underneath the bed. This turns into a bed right here also. Beautiful storage, beautiful woodwork also. There's your stereo and DVD player. There's your second TV here. Very nice microwave. I like the black refrigerator instead of the cheaper ones. Looks like the stove has never been used. There's no black residue anywhere. Very, very nice hardware. Very nice woodwork. LED lighting. A second fan up here, what they call a fantastic vent. Going up into the bedroom, you've got some storage right here, and then you have a full vanity closet. This is a slide out that goes out. There's your table. You have a king bed. Beautiful room. This is a nice design that they did with this one. And then you also have a second AC in the bedroom, not just duct, a full AC. And there's your shower, your typical sink, toilet, normal setup in here. Heat in the floors also, as you notice, cold weather package. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful coach. And again, 66 hours on the generator. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah.
West Palm's greatest hits with Jen and Bill in the morning. Sunny 107.9.
All right.